What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $5 in just 5 minutes worth of work. Now, this is not a strategy that costs money for you to make money. It's very simple, very easy. Anybody can do it. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. Now, I just want to say this strategy, this video, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step, show you the process. But this strategy, it takes time. Okay, are you going to be able to make $5 in 5 minutes? Yes, you can, but you have to put in the work. This is a time commitment. If you can do it, you will make money. So let's hop on my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $5 in 5 minutes. So let's go. All right, so you want to make $5 in just 5 minutes worth of work. Let me show you a simple way to actually do this. Now, this is an app. It's called Dosh. Okay, it's called dosh.cash. Now, this is an app you can get on your phone. I have it on my phone, use it all the time. Now, the cool part about this is you hook up a card to it, okay? So what happens is if somebody hooks up their card to it, they would make $5. So if you use the link down in the description box below, what happens is I make $5, okay? Just to be 100% honest with you guys, I make $5, but by using that link, you make $5 as well once you hook up your debit or credit card. Now, here's the cool part. And this is why it's so effective. Now, you connect a card and you can shop, you can dine out, you can go pretty much anywhere. For example, I actually went to Bed Bath & Beyond this morning and actually saved 2%. I get 2% cash back, okay? And so actually as of today, because I cashed out last night, I actually have $1.50 in my account. I don't know if you can see it right there, $1.50. But yeah, it's just $1.50 that I end up making this morning by going to Bed Bath & Beyond, okay? But here's how you actually make money, okay? Because, like it says right here, get paid to refer. Refer your friend to Dosh and get $5 for each one who signs up and links a verified card. And you can transfer your money back to your account, okay? Pretty simple. Now, here's the strategy I want to show you. This is how simple it is. This is why it takes about 5 minutes. Because I want to show you how to go out and get people to sign up for Dosh. However, I don't want you to go to your friends and family and be like, hey, have you heard about this app? Here, use my code so you can get $5. Now, it does work. It's very effective, and it will save them money, and it can help them make money as well, and it'll help you make money as well. But I want you to go after people that you don't know, okay? People that you'll sign up because you are helping them. Now, here's what I'd recommend. I'm going to go up here. I'm here on Quora.com, and I'm gonna go search Quora for saving money. Let's type that in. Okay, so save money and being thrifty, money savings, personal saving. Let's type that. Let's do personal savings. Okay. Now, once I'm here, I'm gonna go to answer. I want to answer questions. I'm a teacher. What's the best way to save money? Well, what I would do is I'd have an actual answer, somewhat of a reply. And so I'd say the best way to, as a teacher, the best way to save money is, I don't know if you use the app called Dosh. If you don't, I highly recommend it because, it can save you money on purchases that you are already making. And the best part is, it doesn't have to track codes. It just goes off of your actual card. And so from there, I would actually give them my referral code, which you can see there. It's actually Adam S153. And I'd say, this is the code you need, or this is the link you should use, because if you sign up here, you will make $5 instantly once you connect the card. Okay? And I'd put that as my answer. Okay? What are the best tips and tricks for saving money? The best tip and trick for saving money is to automate as much as you possibly can. There's a thing out there, I think it's called Acorn, which takes, let's say if you spend, I think it's Acorn, but if you spend like $9.65, on a purchase, it's going to round up your cents, so the other 35 cents, and it's going to put it into savings or investment account or something like that. And that's an incredible thing as well. Helps you save a little bit of money on purchases that you're already making. It just rounds it up. How fast can you save $100,000? That would be a tough one to really answer. You could answer it, but as far as using the Dosh website and how this is going to benefit them, it's probably not really going to help them that much, because to save $100,000 on Dosh, you're gonna have to spend a lot of money, okay? Millions of dollars. For the best ways I can force myself into saving more and spending less on new tech. You can save more by, and I think there's some different apps or different, so like Staples has a thing right there, you get 3% cash back, which is obviously a great deal. That's one way you can save more money. Spending less on new tech. Well, as long as you shop at Staples, that would work great. Here's another opportunity for you. Make money. So making money online. Let's say you want to teach exactly what I'm showing you right here, and you want to teach people over on Quora. You can just go to making money online. What are some ways to make money online at home? All right, that was asked 58 minutes ago. No answers. I can actually post my answer. Here's a great way to make money online. Check this out. Use Dosh. It's a great app. It can save you money and it can make you money at the same time. Here's how, and list the steps. Exactly what I'm showing you in today's video. You can even copy the video and paste it right here if you want to. What are the best ways to make money on the side, online or not? You can go ahead and answer that. What's the easiest way to make $20 per hour? You can answer that one. You can keep going to answer all this stuff, right? It's so simple to make money using Dosh, but the key is you have to give value. People don't just want to sign up for no reason, okay? Honestly, don't go and sign up for Dosh if, number one, you're not going to use it, and you're not going to add your card, and you're not going to actually, shop it. So some of the stores around me right now are Bed Bath & Beyond, Sephora, Lane Bryant, Sam's Club, Gap, Dunkin' Donuts, Staples, Denny's, okay? The list goes on and on. So if I wasn't actually going to use that app, I would never have downloaded it. Second thing, okay, if you are not going to actually promote it to other people, again, you're not going to use the app to its fullest potential, why download it? Okay, don't waste your time, don't waste the storage on your phone, don't waste the space on your screen to have an app that you will never use, all right? So that's one thing, is actually utilize it for what it can actually do for you. Get you cash back, okay, on gas. Like I said, Sephora, there's another one. Forever 21, there's another store I have. Cost Plus World Market, okay? But the key, okay, the biggest key to making any money with Dosh, make $5 from 5 minutes worth of work, is to take your link that you get and actually post it inside these answers. Now, I'm not saying every single one. One of the things you could do is you could actually come over here, and the people that, let's say the person that asked the question, you give them the best response possible, okay? And it really helps. Or one of the other things you can do is you can actually come into some of these different accounts to the people that answered the question, okay? So like this one right here, I'm gonna click on it, okay? And you could actually, ask them an actual question, okay? You can, well, we're not gonna block them. Okay, if they give any emails, if they give any way to contact them, you can send them messages, which is a great thing to do. There's just a lot of opportunity using Quora and using Dosh together. So if you guys have any questions, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below, and I can help you out anyway down there as well. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Now I want to give you some tips, okay? Let me give you 2 tips. The first tip I want to give you guys, that I showed you how to target people that are looking to save money, looking for money saving, tricks, techniques, tactics, habits, whatever it is. I showed you that, okay? But if you think outside the box, think of different ways to promote this exact same strategy. So think of, okay, somebody wants to make money. Well, how could they make money? Well, you go and you sign up for Dosh, okay? Because everybody that you sign up, you make $5. For everybody they sign up, they make $5. Because the cool part is, if you sign up with my link, the one I gave you down in the description box below, number one, I make $5 and you make $5, okay? So it's not that they're not paying $10 to the person that got the other one to sign up. They're splitting it. I make 5, you make 5. And then you go and you sign up, 5 other people, you make 5, they make 5. You make 5, they make 5. That's how it works, okay? So that's the benefit of this, is if you think outside the box, think, okay, I don't want to just teach people how to save money, I'm going to teach you how to make money. So now you're targeting 2 different types of people, so it means you're going to double your efforts and hopefully you double your money. Tip number 2, stay consistent. I showed you how to do this with Quora.com, but I've also shown a video probably 3 months ago how to do this with Facebook Messenger. It's a great strategy and it works. It's very effective. Okay, get out there, find different platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Quora, Twitter, wherever, Pinterest. Go find other platforms that you can promote this link, your link, so you can start making some more money and they can make money and also save money at the same time. So again, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.